When the strands are created, the reason they move horizontally along the grid, or perpendicular to their direction vector, is that the spawn on collision compound is describing that the particles should follow their original particle direction, but because the surface is acting as an obstacle, they're going to obviously just follow that instead. We can actually just change the spawn direction to have it in the direction of the surface normal. And this is the surface normal of the obstacle. If we have a look at our grid and we use our eyeball tool and have a look at the surface normals, we can see the normals are pointing upwards. So our particles are actually going to spawn and create a bounce. And because gravity is acting upon everything, okay, so one of the problems you see here is that the spawn actually is quite far. They actually fly quite a distance. So what I'll have to do is lower the spawn speed multiplier. So backing on the spawn collision, I'll take the speed multiplier down somewhat. Take it down to say 0.1, so the particles can't travel nearly as far when they spawn. There we go. And we can reduce the angle at which the particles can spread. So if I set the angle to something between 20 degrees off of the surface normal and say 45 degrees, we start to get more of the effect that we're looking for. You can see the particles die off after about their second or their third bounce. So the effect is already starting to look a little better.